Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute curly wig from HerGivenHair. So let's get into it. So I am just about to take it fresh out the packaging. This is their 3B 3C texture hair. It is a 13x1 lace front wig, and I did get a cap size small. So as you guys know, HerGivenHair has really good quality human hair. It mimics our natural hair texture so good. And with this one, I did notice like the lace was already kind of like tinted, so it looks really natural. And I ended up not needing my wig cap, so I will end up taking it off after I already put it on, because I really didn't need it. And sometimes the wig cap just be in the way for me sometimes. I don't know why, but sometimes it's just in the way. But this hair felt so good when I first touched it. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and putting it on. And what I did notice is the cap size was a little small for my head. So next time I will get a medium, but for now we are going to work with it. So this is just a close-up of the pretty 3B 3C texture. Very gorgeous hair. And let's get into getting this lace off. So I always take like the little razor, and I'm just going to start by cutting the middle, and then I cut at the sides. I don't do it straight across. I kind of do like a jagged motion so it doesn't look too fake or obvious. Since this wig was a little bit small on me, it was pushing back just a little bit, but I was able to work with it. And if you do get a medium size, of course, it will fit better on your forehead depending on what, you know, wig cap size that you need. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and I'm going to be removing the lace. But I really loved how the for the middle part, it was already like tinted color, so you don't have to go in and add any like makeup or anything in the middle part. So I'm going to be taking my Got To Be spray, and I'm just going to spray it along my hairline, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer so I can lay it down. All right, going ahead and just placing it where it needs to be, and then I'm going to blow dry at it. I think I had it at like medium heat, and then once I feel like it's nice and tacky and it's sticking nice and good, the hair is on. And since this hair kind of falls at the sides of your face, you don't have to really worry about the lace on the other sides. So I typically focus on the very front when I'm doing like curly units like this that are kind of like covering the sides of your face. So this is what it looks like completely on the natural texture, but I'm going to go ahead and wet it because I want to define those curls and really see what this wig is looking like. So I'm just going ahead and spraying it all over, and just like natural curly hair, it gets wet, it shrivels a little bit, and you can use regular curl defining products to get it really popping. You can do braid outs on this hair, you can do twist outs, bantu knots, like you can really change up the look of this wig if you want to, and you can even straighten it because it's human hair. So there's so many different looks that you can do with this wig, so that's like the good side of it. Now I'm just going ahead and taking my mousse, and I'm going to rake that through. This is like my favorite product to use when I wear wigs. I don't know why. It's very lightweight. It doesn't make my wigs feel crunchy or anything. I feel like it defines the curls good. So this is like my go-to product when I'm wearing curly wigs. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and raking that through, and the curls are starting to come to life. They're getting more defined, and I love it. Like, it's really like a nice little go-to wig. The installation was super easy. So yeah, I love it. And I will have all the information about this hair linked in the description box below. HerGivenHair has a ton of different selections. And if you guys haven't already heard of them, go on my channel and look at some of my other videos I've done with them. I love their hair. Like, they make such good wigs. So this is the final look, and it feels nice and fluffy and soft. There was no shedding. The hair was super gorgeous, and it looks super natural. And I am going to show you guys just one more hairstyle you could do with it, because I kind of like doing those like half back hairstyles with two pieces of hair in the front. So I'm just taking one side of my hair and pulling it back, and then I'm going to do the same with the other, and then I'm just going to take two strands of hair out in the front, and then I'm just going to take a little clip and put it in the back. And that can be another little go-to hairstyle that you can do with this hair. It's super cute. So yeah, you can switch it up definitely with this hair. I love that. So you can make it look like, you know, cute for a different occasion. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And check out HerGivenHair.